myself contributing to the legacy of Daragang Magayon through not only being a representative but also a spokesperson, especially to those people who are not neglected.
Yung sagot niya was meant for another question. Hi guys! And welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Niley!
For today's vlog, ay magkakaroon ulit tayo ng reaction video for a delegate's upcoming Miss Universe Philippines 2024, and this time from Albay, that's Elaine Bernales.
Oh my God, this is one of my favorite places in the whole Philippines. Ang lugar kung saan nakatira si
Magayon.
Daragang Magayon.
Ay, Daragang Magayon. Sobrang sarap ng pagkain nila sa Albay.
Sobrang majestic ni Daragang Magayon.
Sobrang nakakaiyak. Pag nakita mo siya, lalo na kapag kahit na sumilip man lang siya, di ba? Kahit na hindi na siya yung perfect na cone, basta nagpakita siya sa'yo, sobrang nakakaiyak yung, sobrang nakaka-emotional, no? Kasi minsan lang daw siya magpakita sa mga mabubuting puso.
Ay, wow! Since nagpakita siya, 70%, ay 30%.
Oh, hindi, 80%, 85%, hindi 90%. Hindi yung top-top lang yung hindi natin nakita.
Sige na, bago pa man tayo mapalayo sa ating topic ngayon.
Then without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Very nice. I like the representation of very paraiso.
This
is representing Daraga.
Oo. Very traditional. Yeah, patadyong, modernized na Filipiniana.
Nice.
I love the branding pala ng production.
In fairness. Galit eh. Sino mga away? Pero tangkad din ito eh, no?
Sometimes kasi may mga swimwear na hindi nabibigyan ng justice yung
dahil sa ilaw. Pero I like it how yung mga local franchise, yung representation nila, yung mga candidates na is very Filipino talaga.
Kutis pa lang,
Anong kutis?
Kutis.
Gusto ko yung yung branding talaga nitong MUPH Albay, no?
Another green
na naman.
Oo.
Green ata yung lucky color for this year.
Medyo risky yung sa kanya kasi yung isa di ba emerald green yung ibang candidates.
Ito.
Medyo grass. Oo.
Medyo yung yung iniinom na green?
Matcha.
Hindi ba yung inaano ko? Ano ba? Santi Barley.
Ay, Santi Barley ka.
Tangkad talaga ni ate. Yung lang siguro, yung hair na nakalugay na at some point minsan, parang natatakpan yung mukha niya. Tapos, may mga ganyan siya yung, di ba?
Kailangan niya effects.
Well-being and aspirations of future generations in Albay, fostering a sense of continuity and pride. Again, considering the legacy of Daragang Magayon, how do you see yourself contributing to the well-being and aspirations of future generations in Albay, fostering a sense of continuity and pride? Good evening, everyone. I can see myself contributing to the legacy of Daragang Magayon through not only being a representative but also a spokesperson,
am a woman of purpose and of power, a woman who wants to educate people despite of the challenges and the struggles that they have faced. And I believe that as an Albay,
Parang tumingin pa siya dun sa host na, anong susunod?
Ay, diba?
Ever Miss Universe, Philippines Albay is candidate number 2, Lane Bernales on Daranga.
Pero
diba?
when you look at the other, naman, I think, siya yung pinaka best na pwede nyo ipadala to represent Albay for this batch siguro. Yun na yun. Ano naman masasabi mo dun sa kanyang question and answer? Ako na lang muna siguro. Yung question and answer, I think, totoo, hindi talaga niya nasagot yung tanong. I think that's, yung, kumbaga, yung sagot niya was meant for another question. Like, it was rehearsed, for me lang ha, for my own opinion. It's like rehearsed for a different question. It's like a question na, why do you think you should be the first Miss Universe Philippines Albay? Yung parang ganun yung dating niya sa akin na hindi siya directly answering the question itself. Ganun.
Yeah. Same tayo siguro ng tawag dito, pag nilay. When we like study further kung ano yung paano niya sinagot, I think ang napili niya kasing sagot is yung very common, very cliche na din na I will be a spokesperson to those who are unheard individuals.
Oh, even that part na not to those who are not neglected. Dapat who are neglected. Or actually yung phrase na yun or yung statement.
Oh, so it's very cliche na siya. Tapos very common nga yun, cliche nga. Tapos meron na siyang mold, kumbaga. Meron na siyang template, parang ganun. So, dagdag pa natin yan na ang hinahanap kasi natin dito is yung parang concrete na sagot.
Pero ikaw yung judge?
Hindi pag mga ganun, siguro ang advice natin. Personal take. Hinahanap kasi natin yung concrete na sagot para madagdagan yung legacy ni Daragang Magayon. Sa perspective dapat na kaya niyang gawin as an individual or as a
kung ano yung contribute
niya.
Congratulations pa rin kay Elaine Bernales. We still wish her the best of luck and whatever negative na siguro na comments na nakikita natin sa social media, huwag tayong magpa-apekto. Kumbaga, let's focus on our goals and let's make it a challenge to ourselves. Let's prove them wrong na hindi lang yun yung magpapadefine kung ano yung magiging success or kung ano yung kaya natin i-contribute kung sa community man natin yan or sa buong Pilipinas. And thank you so much at sinamahan niyo naman kami sa Nagdang Reaction video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Kung bago ka sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!